Got my fender wells moved up. Got the bodies, well, the rear part of the body stuck on there. But you see, I moved the rear fender wells up about 6 inches. And actually, you can't, look like they fit like that. That's the way it is made to go to start with. Well, yeah, I just got the body blocked up. It's a pain in the butt just to get it blocked up that much, but it was enough to get my measurements. There's the back of the door. There's the front of the door. Front of the cowl, and I got plenty of room for the motor, the radiator, water pump, all that stuff. So my measurements is going to work out fine. I was going to stick the front cowl and the small parts on it and see what it looked like, but that's as far as I'm going to stick it together for now. I just wanted to double check my measurements, so we good. Yeah, the fender wells moved up nice. I like that. They worked out real well. Still gonna chop top 3 inches, at least about 3, maybe 4, I don't know yet, but. So yeah, we're getting there. Fender wells look good to me. I like it like that. Get the top chopped, get her built, get her done. Appreciate you.